Hello, my name is Christian from TradeVola, trading with know-how and transparency. Today we want to present you a new video about Interactive Broker and the client portal. Also how to trade and how to use the client portal, because this is the interface what changes quite regularly from Interactive Broker, and to know how to use this, how to trade it, and how to find all important tools for trading. We want to present this today here on the screen. And now we want to go directly here on the screen and show you all the details like I mentioned it earlier. Yeah, after you log into your client portal, you will see the following section here with Home, Portfolio, Trade, Research, Transfer and Pay, and Performance and Reports. And we are now here in the section of Research. Here you can check, for example, Market Overview. What's interesting, if you want to check Bloomberg TV, you can also follow here all the latest news, but for me it's more important also your watch lists. If you have watch lists what you created in your mobile app or even in your Trader workstation, you can use this here. You can also easily delete positions here or create an alert, buy and sell directly from your watch list, or go directly to the option chain. This is the easiest way to trade one of your symbols from your watch list. If you want to check any other symbol, I always recommend you just type here the name or the symbol on top. For example, we can use today the stock for Sunrun. Then you can choose here if you want to see stock options or the whole option chain, or even CFDs. We want to see stock, and then it starts to load all the information here. Normally it's a 1 year chart, but you can also go back to 1 day where we can see how it was moving during the trading session today or the last week. That's easy to change here. Also, if you want to see outside regular session, you can even just hit the button here or check the box here, and you will see also outside regular trading sessions if you want to see how a stock moves for earnings or other announcements after the market is already closed. You also can use a few indicators for the chart. Here you can check all the standard indicators, Bollinger Bands, everything else what is available. Let's check, for example, for the Relative Strength Index, also called RSI. Here you will have all the information for the RSI, and if you want to change any of the inputs, you should be also able to do this here in the settings. So you can choose the length, the style, and the visibility. So it's at the end pretty much the same what you have in your Trader workstation, with some less functions, but it makes it also, for me or for beginners, I would say, also more easier to use. So for example, if you have here chosen your stock, and easily you can buy and sell it here just by hitting the buttons, or create an alert if there's a certain price level reached. All these you can easily access, or if you want to see all the options for the stocks, just click here and see the option chain with all the different expiration dates and strike prices. And you can also easily create your strategy here. So it's pretty simple. You just click on sell and buy, and we have here, for example, a credit spread created, and we can build the order. So all these things easy to handle and easy to access. If you want to go back to the information here, just click on quote, or if you want to do a research on the stock, you can just go here to all the information, company profile. So in this case, it's even more what you can access, I think, or easier than in the Trader workstation. News, analyst, forecast, all these information for all the stocks which are available, and this is quite a lot. So if you want to do another example, we can check here the stock of Caterpillar, for example. Here you can see there's also different exchanges, and you have to decide in which exchange you want to trade. Here, for example, we have it at New York Stock Exchange, but we also have it here at LSE, London Stock Exchange, as well as some, okay, this is a different company I see, but Caterpillar here, it's at the end in New York Stock Exchange, and here IBS should be definitely a stock exchange here in Europe. We can just double check it quickly. Okay, I don't have here the market data for it, but that's always important to know. I mean, for Meta, we can do the same. We have it here in Nasdaq. We also have it here in Mexico listed as well as, oh no, this is the only two exchanges where is it listed. And as soon as you choose the stock, you have exactly here the same. This is, I think, the important thing to remember, that you can here quote see the chart and all the informations regarding volume, dividends, and so on. Options, if you want to trade options or create strategies, and here research all information on Meta. The bigger the company, I think the more information we will find here. We will find more analyst ratings, more analyst forecasts, so you can really dive into this stock and find everything what is necessary. But also let's check quickly how alert buy and sell is working. Alert here, price alert. You can also need to have your emails alert sets. Please go to delivery options to write one. This is the first thing what you need to do. Then you can set up an alert. So I didn't even use it yet in the client portal, but to show you buy and sell, what's here important, the different order types you can choose. You can also choose an US dollar amount. If you want to say, I just want to buy for 1,000 US dollar, it will calculate automatically the right amount, 3.3. Don't forget, if you enable your fractional shares, you are also able to buy fractions of a share. And then you just choose here your limit price. What I always recommend, if you do buy and hold and you want to have targets or stops for more than 1 day in your account, use always good till cancel. Limit orders, you can even say they should be valid outside regular trading hours. If you want to do this, just check here the box for outside RTH, and yeah, the same at the end here for sell account. What is also here important to know, you can always, with your entry order, also connect a profit taker and a stop loss. So means at the end, as soon as you open your position, you have automatically a limit order and a stop loss. Before you even open it, you can set it up. So let's say I want to buy Meta for $280. If it goes up to 320, I want to take the profit, and if it goes down to 260, I will place my stop order. You can also see here your loss, your profit. So I think pretty easy, pretty simple. And then in the end, you have to accept here everything, and you can place the order. In this case, I chose 100 shares, what was a little bit too big for the account size here in this account. But yeah, that's the most important thing to know, and how to start trading. As soon as you have then your positions open, you will find everything here in portfolio, your performance report, your cash report, and so on. So this is also something what you should check regularly besides your performance and reports. But for this, you can also see our latest video related to creating customer reports. Yeah, I think, or I hope this was helpful for everyone who want to start trading with the client portal and who needs some advices for the beginning. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, leave a like and a comment. We would be very happy, and I hope to welcome you here soon again. Thank you very much, and see you soon.